What's up, online shoppers? If you're searching for fantastic t-shirts for your fellas, these ones here are my top pick. They are the casual cotton crews from Real Essentials. They have so many great colors and I love the t-shirts. They wash so well. Let's open them up and see what they're like in real life. Now here is the t-shirt like that. I've got a double XL fella, so this one here fits really nice. They are pre-shrunk cotton, which is fantastic. These are a poly cotton blend, so they do a really good job of holding their shape, and you get a ton of really nice colors. I love this color combination. There's black, there's gray, there's green, and there's yellow. I love the design of them as well. They've got a great pocket on the chest, and the neck isn't really tight. It's a really nice, comfortable neckline. My fellas ask me to buy these for them now because they just love how they fit. As I said, they wash really well, and they have a whole wide variety of sizes. You can get these from extra small up to 5XL, and you can get them in a regular, you can get them in a big tall, and you can get them in a long. So you've got so many varieties with this, and the color choices are just awesome. Like, this is such a gorgeous color combination pack. I love these Real Essentials cotton poly t-shirts. They are comfortable, they wash up really well, they retain their shape, and they are just some of the nicest t-shirts I've ever bought for my guys. Definitely a family favorite at my house.